mocoke gwenda o uke nigetha wonekane na wena gacati kega atarudi aca we ere gucoka ucio ni gucoka. So asanteni sana. Kwa hivyo oguo Jonathan mauga on Tuesday mwegangaro amuikie kuu uguo na tondu nimurehaga nginya kipindi gigitagwo ndaci mwaki oneyo ni maingire kuu uguo nigetha haya. Na Jonathan na Ses ni brother and sister by God's grace. Ni thank you very much, asanteni.
Mheshimiwa itana ikarathi haha twina andu abata muno. Mheshimiwa akoretwo akinyitirira andu metagwo content creators. Themu tiramona ni wale haria wapi makofi yao. Thank you Mheshimiwa ni tondu wa gutunyitirira ni turathi tukirutaga wira mwega na maundu mothe ni mekwagirira. So thank you very much, asante sana na tugacokia ngatho cia mwanya muno DJ.
Thank you very much, thank you very much. Nawe Mheshimiwa Gathe wa Njeri tondu nawe wi muini na riu no wega gwethera andu opportunity tigwa andu Ngai. When opportunity arises tuna create watu. Gathe wa Njeri tondu wi muini na he rwimbo rwaku rumwe tukuinite haha Chege waigwa uru nenie we urage maisha ni makwa goikara oria wanjukara ngusaidi gwete na neo marauga tinie nie tondu nawe we muini onawe we dancers acio Mheshimiwa Gathe wa Njeri nigetha tu promote team ya hapa kwetu Murang'a County kuma guku gwitu Kiharo constituency na riu na gitio kenene muno makiria nigetha tuingire session wegi ili tuingie in the next session. Mheshimiwa Ndarotha wako kuna wanafunzi ambao walikuwa nasomea Kiharo TVC na maumana dance only a minute 1 minute nigetha riu tuingire mweke-ini wa kuheana certificates na pia tukoro tukirikiria. Karibuni dakika moja only 1 minute tukoro tukirikiria. Harakisheni tuingieni uwanjani tafadhali mbio mbio ni mbio nigetha tuigere turoka riu ni kurika turarikia tuigere riu party ni wege ya mwisho.
Simama tu hapo. Tengeneza tu hapo. Songea wewe mwingine. Irene, familia.
Our guest of honor, Honorable Ndene Nyoro, all protocol observed, our parents, and my fellow students, good afternoon. In front of you is Township Hospitality class ready to present a Kikuyu folk song entitled The song was written and composed by one of us. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome.
Kiharo eneto nyorokie Kiharo eneto nyorokie ake Kiharo eneto nyorokie Kiharo eneto nyorokie ake Negokoria kioria fara onagatia Negokoria kege thukuru-ini wonagatia Negokoria kege wendi gutigitheirie Negokoria kege mbeu njithi wonagatia Eka eke aro eka ekuoneka atia. Eka motha soye ate ekuga inoka ate
mwana muciare ndagite agoka mutheco
indoreire kiharo kwa mabunge witagwo ndende indoreire kiharo
kwa mabunge witagwo ndende indoreire kiharo
imaina tengera wiyonere kiharo riu imaina tengera
emaina tengera wiyonere kiharo riu emaina tengera
indarukie kiharo ngiona na ndende akituka ni ucio
ni ngiona na ndende akituka mabunge mwega
na githeti wa maitu ateraga mabunge mwega ni
ngiona na ndende akituka mabunge mwega ni
ye mabunge mwega ithuĩ twaigane ngatho kĩharo rĩu tũmbere
mabunge mwega ithuĩ twaigane ngatho kĩharo rĩu twĩmbere
ye mabunge
mwega
ithuĩ twaiga
nĩ ngatho kĩharo rĩu twĩmbere
ye mabunge
mwega
ithuĩ twaiga
nĩ ngatho kĩharo rĩu twĩmbere
gĩteng'ateng'era teng'ateng'era
wega
wĩonara wĩra ndende arutĩte
wega
barabara ciothe rĩu nĩ nyoroku
wega
thukuru-inĩ ciothe rĩu nĩ thondeke
wega
mbeũ njĩthĩ rĩu mena mwerekera
wega
gũkũ rĩu nĩkuo gwĩtagwo kũnyorokia
wega
hatarĩ ndende ĩyo mwene oigire
wega
tũgoce Ngai hĩndĩ ciothe
tũmũkumia tondũ nĩ mwega na ngemia hamwe na ndũyũ oro hamwe na tũrumbeta
ĩyũĩ nĩ akumio
tondũ nĩ mwega
ĩyũĩ nĩ akumio
tondũ nĩ mwega
nĩatĩkĩire
maũndũ mega ũtangĩhota gũtarĩria
Mwathani witũ nĩ mwega Mwathani witũ nĩ mwega marĩko make nĩ manene ĩtingĩhota gũtarĩria toine
tingĩhota gũtarĩria.
Thank you very much. Tuwapigeni makofi tafadhali. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana. Thank you Gorgeous. Gorgeous Institute, asanteni sana. Nafasi hii ningependa kumwalika Bwana Amos Bogwa. Bwana Amos Bogwa ndiye Managing Director Blue Wave International, ili aseme maneno mawili. Baada ya hapo tutaendelea. Karibu sana Bwana Amos Bogwa. Wapi makofi yake Bwana Amos Bogwa akikuja? Thank you very much. Karibu.
Okay, thank you so much, Mheshimiwa. I'm not a public speaker, so I'm so much privileged. Na ikenokire na muthenya wa muthi todo wa gukoro invited thini wa graduation yo muthi within my county. I'm from Murang'a County, and I'm the managing director of Moigo wa company to Blue Wave International Services Limited. And the part we do is we deal with those people who are called migrant workers. Who is a migrant worker? A migrant worker ni mundu uria wethaga wira nja wa Kenya. And that person is the one who is seated here. Mundu ucio ni uriku? You are a chef, we cook, we waiter, we waitress, we cleaner. Our main job ithu tudirana nyamu citagwo cruise lines. Cruise lines ni meri. Nani anajua meri? Hapa anajua meri? Kuna meri inaitwa Royal Caribbean, kuna meri inaitwa Carnival Cruises. Those na kuna zingine zinaitangwa River Cruises zinaoperatea German. So my main job ni nywe mwarikia guthoma. Mwoka tukamutrain hanini course itagwo STCW ya thikũ ithano. Okorwo wewe chef kana wewe cook, ukaigero gathomithio training ya STCW, that is what we call a safety. And then you get the chance to go and work in the cruises. And then working in the cruises, you don't need money. You only need your passport, just that. We don't require money from you, so the employer will always provide you with tickets, joining tickets, but he need you to be genuine and also someone who is obedient. That is the main thing that we do. Recently, I recruited some few guys from this institution, Kiharu TVC. That was on the month of February. And we have a very big team from Kenya that is traveling to Germany in the next 2 weeks to come. They already got their visas. So, me as a son of Muranga, need mwana kewa Murangari. This is a great opportunity. Wanidaya chance iteno. Gomwirama, ni the account isige. We have gone to Kericho, Kisii, to a partnership na Nyeri Technical. Nituruta awira na unide mwagira student yao. And then so much Muhesh, because today I can be part of this institution. Candidate ya manarekia thukuru goko tuka connected now, and I will guide you through the work process for you to go abroad with no hindrances. Just the way I've told you, tutire hagia besa. The challenges we have in Kenya, people don't have money. For us, we don't charge because we always look for employers. Twethaga employers aria mego sponsor we mwenyewe. Urehero ticket ya ndege, the only document ufatara yaku ukiuma guku no ticket, no passport yaku. Passport is your personal responsibility. Ni yaku ko wige mugaidi atia andu aku guku Muranga. Just the way tuthia account iri ngi tukerora tukona. Urathi ku gakora tari ngi uri ha, how many people have passports here? Tungiwa guku iguru. Ni very low numbers, but kundu kungi mundu agirikagia thukuru uguo umenyitete na guko. Ni gumu encourage tuna passport officer hakuhi na ithu Ebu. Ebu is very near to us. Take a responsibility, thiuhirie passport yaku. Kenya ni tuina mawira ti maigi uguo. So the surplus can always get an advantage ya guthie nja wa Kenya. Na ndi hia kurutithania wira na mheshimiwa. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bwana Mbugua, thank you very much. Riu mundu urenda guthie kuruta wira nja wa bururi. Aikisha kwamba you apply for passport. Uonane nake. I guess ungepeana namba ya simu. Bwana Mbugua ni ungeheana namba ya thimu. Yes, na otumire office ciaku cieko. Etigo ni ungeatwira hau ni undu wa mundu kwenda thitha.
Thank you so much. Sorry for that. Office yako is located Nation Center. You buy it at Ririk House. It is just next to Nation Center. Na namba yako ya thimu mundu ukumienda 0710. That is my personal number. 84 8916. Na tafadhali ndukandumire message icio ingi. Ndirenda message ya inquiry ya wira. And I'm here to support you. Sawa? Thank you.
Thank you very much. 0710-848-916. Hii ni 0710 no muhurire mathaini ma wira we ukwenda guthie kuruta wira nja wa bururi we wikite hospitality we go upate hiyo nafasi. Tukihinga mweke ucio wa miario tuko twina mutaaramu ungi Bwana Kiura. Karibu sana. Karibu. DJ mwekeka ngoma kidogo akiingia uwanjani.
Asante sana. Thank you so much. Bwana Yesu asifiwe.